Today, I'm opening a new, not Lego exactly, but like this similar to Lego, but the company's not Lego. It's called Mattel Brickshop. So I'm going to open this and like make this Maserati MC20. Normally we'll buy Lego, but Lego's kind of too expensive nowadays, so we just wanted to try something new. And when we saw the video on Amazon, the bricks and everything looked like very good, so we thought to try. So I'm gonna unbox this. Huh?
What's the name?
It's a Maserati MC20. I told them already. Okay. Do you open this side? Yes. The packaging is very nice. Oh wow, nice. This is the instructions. Oh, what's inside? Yeah, this is the stickers. These are the stickers. Nice.
The quality looks nice.
Yeah.
Better than Lego, right?
Yeah.
Similar to Lego, maybe. Yeah, it's good quality. I hope, yeah.
I hope it turns out well. Number one.
So,
What's this? A big one.
Mattel has got three models, three kind of products. One is this.
Legos.
No, the small ones are called what?
Oh, Speed.
Speed.
The medium size is Elite, and the big one is Premium.
Oh yeah, Elite.
And I think there's another one which now is discontinued, which is called Jumbo.
Oh, is it? So
Yeah. Oh, this is the same as Speed Champions.
Champions.
They only did one packet for each set. So I don't even need so many plates again. 6. But let me get this package out.
And this is extra.
What's inside? Oh, nothing. This is now the oopsies.
Put
This-
the box in front. Put that box in front.
Yes. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm gonna just put these packets in order quickly.
That's it.
But this, I just need one plate. Which color should I use?
Do that
Good.
later. That's okay.
Yeah. So this. But now let's see this. So this is. It has the wheels. The. What do you call them? The. This thing. The rims. Yeah,
Yeah,
the
the
rims.
rims.
The
Yeah.
rim.
And the Hot Wheel car.
Ooh. It feels so satisfying. Let me feel the quality of the wheel. It was actually nice.
It's good quality. Yeah.
Feel it?
Yeah,
It's
I
quite
can
nice.
see it. I think if Mattel gets successful, I think Lego would have a real competitor. The quality is real nice. I mean, we'll see the big ones.
Yeah.
We'll get to know. But from the look of it, it looks really good quality.
Yeah. I like this one more. Don't you like this one more?
Oh yes.
Yeah, I never even seen this from Lego.
This is also plastic, but
Ooh.
the premium one maybe has got metal. Yeah, I don't know.
It says it's like
Colour.
this. What do you call these? Like basically showing what the name and stuff like Maserati MC20 Hot Wheels. Nice. But now I want to get this car out. You've seen the car? And let me see the back here.
Yeah, this is like a normal.
Normal. But I think that after Elite and Premiums have premium cars. I think Premium only have premium cars, not
Maybe.
Elite.
Let's see. This is a normal.
Normal car, but it looks nice. I like it. But let's start the Lego.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.